What is going on, legends? We are putting a spare wheel carrier on this Discovery today, and yeah, I'm going to try and show you guys as much as I can the process in case you guys are fitting one to your car. Yeah, you can watch this video instead of reading the instructions, and we all know you like to do that. So anyway, let's get into it.
nothing to do. These days they come and go. Me and you, nothing to lose. I feel it in my soul. So let's let the good times roll. So let's let the good times roll. So let's let the good times roll.
All right, so we nearly finished this Discovery rear wheel carrier on this car. He just had a light mount that he wants me to wire up. I'm not really much of a wiring guy, but I'm happy to have a crack at little stuff. He bought this lead, so I'm just going to use this end. This plugs into his battery box. I'm just going to chop this end off and then hopefully wire it up to the wiring that come with the actual light. But the wiring on the light side is actually like house wiring. Like it's got a positive, neutral, and earth. So yeah, anyway, we'll work it out. But that's all I got left to do on this, and then this is done. I was meant to be in here earlier today, but it's actually 2 o'clock because I worked 20 hours yesterday and then woke up at I think I got home at 1 or 2 o'clock, and then I woke up at 7 and I was like, I'm not getting out of bed. Then woke up again at 9 and thought I'll just lay in bed till 9:30. Then woke up, it was 12:30. So anyway, I'm here now. That's all that matters. I need to get this done because he's also bringing in another one of his cars for me to do a quick check over, which won't be in the video. But yeah, I'll get this done, then he can check over the other car, and then we can get them both out. And then I've also got to edit a video and get that out today. So I usually put a video out every Sunday at 6. I'm not sure how I'm going to squeeze all of this in before 6 o'clock today, because it takes me about 3 or 4 hours just to edit a small video. But yeah, I'm going to try my best. So I'm going to, hopefully this wiring doesn't take too long. Touch wood somewhere. And we can just get back into the office and start editing this video, because everything else in this car I'm pretty much done. I thought that I had more to do than I did, but I obviously smashed it last night because I'm a legend, and left less for me to do today. I just obviously didn't want to do the wiring because you got to think about it. Not really. Well, I guess it's positive and a negative. You don't really need to think about it. If you guys need accessories fitted like this, yeah, hit me up, because I do suspension. My specialty is suspension and wheel clearance, but I'm happy to do accessory fitting and stuff as well. So, you know, like to me, I don't see a difference between fitting an airbag kit and fitting a bull bar or a rear wheel carrier or anything like that, because it's all just a bit of fabrication and bolting things together and stuff, and that's what I do. So yeah, I know there is going to be some jobs I will turn away, but yeah, just, you can always ask. All I can say is no. Yeah, I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video, and please always drop a comment. If you can at least like the video, that makes a huge difference, because it shows me what you guys want to see and don't want to see, and by dropping a comment, that just really helps. Yeah, show me what you guys want to see as well, because sometimes, you know, you guys will love the content and then I'll think you don't like it, so I won't do another video in that same way. But it turns out you actually guys find out later that you guys did like it. So yeah, like the video, subscribe, all that things. I'm going to stop talking now because I need to get back to work, but I'll see you on the next video.